See this? This MP4 looks real. It's dead. No crash, no warning, just broken output. Now watch, same job. This one plays. 3 bugs caused it. I'll fix them, end to end. Now watch the goal. I run the script. Task ID prints instantly. A couple status checks. Succeeded. MP4 saved to outputs. Ready to play. Now we rewind and build it the clean, production-safe way. Here's the pattern that unlocks everything. Create the task, poll the status, download the result. One pattern, every async API, same code, different endpoints. Minimum setup only, requests, python.env, key in .env, never hard-coded. Everything goes in outputs. For the demo, I'm using a high motion image, rain, reflections, depth. We convert it to a data URI, so the script is self-contained, and we write the motion prompt, slow drift, gentle parallax, rain shimmer. Now we create the task, with documented fields only, model, image, prompt, ratio, duration. Then print the task ID immediately. That ID is your debug anchor. Now, bug 1. Polling like clockwork. Every second. That's how you get 429. Production polling, 5 seconds minimum. Add jitter, so clients don't sync. And if you hit 429, read, retry after, and back off. Don't fight the API, respect it. Bug 2. No max wait, so the script can hang forever, a zombie process. Set a max wait. If we hit it, we exit with a clear error. We handle outcomes cleanly. Succeeded, download outputs. Failed, print the error and stop. Timeout, exit. No infinite loops, no guessing. This is the silent killer. Direct MP4 writes. If the download interrupts even once, you get a partial file that looks real, but it won't play. Here's the fix. Stream in chunks. Write to a .part file first. Rename to .mp4 only when complete. Atomic rename means full file or nothing. No silent corruption. Watch this. Download starts. .part appears. I kill it midway. If we were writing to mp4, you'd now have a fake broken file. But here, only the .part exists. Now I run it again. A new download starts, and that run renames to mp4 only when it fully completes. Image in .mp4 out. Safely, reliably. Task ID anchor. Gentle polling. Max wait. Atomic download. This pattern works for any async API. Full code and the exact folder structure are linked below. Everything I used here is included, ready to clone. Tell me what you want automated next.